Okay, this townhouse connects at the garage. Roof looks good. Nice, beautiful shade tree and plants. I feel it's in very good shape except for the floors. It's just been painted. So here's the entryway. You've got pot shelves. There is an alarm system already installed. The first room to the right is a small bedroom. Again, it's been just painted. The floor is poopy, but you already knew that. Here's your hallway bathroom. Tile looks in good shape. However, this thing needs grouted like crazy. Or, what's that other stuff that they put down here? The rubbery stuff. I can't think of caulking. So this bathroom's in good shape. And then here you have, in Vegas we would call this an office or a den because there is no closet. It's got double doors. You got a little coat closet here. And on the left, we've got the laundry room. Again, it's just been painted. You've got gas for the dryer. So, yeah, you've got a gas water heater too, which is nice, saves you some money. I believe it does come with this, oh, you probably can't see. Let's see here. I believe it comes with this broken down couch, maybe the 2 walkers, these 2 nightstands, and what everybody needs, a plunger. The garage has not been painted. You come back out and you have a wonderful granite island, vaulted ceiling. Kitchen is nice. You'll need a refrigerator. Okay, and then here's your living room. Again, vaulted, nice ceiling fan. Weird light bulb colors. So you can see where you have plantation shutters on some of the windows. Actually, I'm sorry. You have plantation shutters here over this door and window. The other ones just have regular blinds. These windows will need blinds. There's some in the garage. I don't know if they were too lazy to put them back up or what. Okay, so measurements. I already measured. So this first box is 4'5" and 2.6 inches tall. This box is 6 foot wide, same, 2.6 tall. I don't know how deep it is. I don't think you asked me to do that, but it's deep. It's like 2 foot. Okay, let's see the rest of the house. Here's the master. Nice vaulted ceilings, doors that go outside, double sink, garden tub, shower, and of course your water closet. And a nice size walk-in closet. Needs a better light bulb though. Okay, let's see, let's walk outside. Got a nice little covered area, big enough for a table. And you can see the water is currently dripping. That's a nice thing. Nice size patio. This is just nice and private back here. I think this has good bones, you guys. I will make a call and see, well, I'll go back out in the garage right now and look at those blinds more closely, because that could save you a few dollars here and there. Let's see. I don't know, this looks like all garbage, so maybe these were all worn out. Oh yeah, look how stained they are. I don't know if you can see the color. but they're yucky. You need some new blinds.